Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Azarton Cam. Oh yeah, this is a little cute modern cam. Oh, and it contains 1080p Full HD night vision and two-way audio mode. That means 2.8mm focal length, 110 degrees wide angle lens. CMOS sensor is inside, 1920 to 1080. This is full HD. The image is clear. You won't miss so much, because I think the quality of the cam is okay. It's really okay. What you get? You will get the Azarton Cam and USB cable for reloading with a power adapter, a quick start guide, a wall plate, and a mounting tape. The wall plate is for areas where there's no metal inside, because your Azarton Cam contains magnetism on the bottom side. And this, I think, is a killer application of this cam. I like it really much to get this cam on each wall or mount where the surface of it is made out of metal, and this cam will dock there easily. And if you have no area with metal, you can use the wall plate plus the mounting tape. It's so easy. Use the mounting tape with a wall plate to dock the wall plate on for example, the wall. And then you can use the Azarton Cam to dock over there. Really awesome. On the front side, you have a lens and the microphone, because it is equipped with two-way audio mode. On the back side, you can see a USB output, a power input, a status light, and a micro SD slot. And the micro SD slot is able to get micro USB cards, micro SD cards for to get there to store your video streams on it. You also can use a USB stick, for example, because there is USB output. The power input is used micro USB, and of course a power adapter. So, and if you're looking to the host area, to the stand, there is a setup button, and the bottom, this is a stand area. There we can use a wall plate on the mount and the wall mount tape. You have here a Azarton Smart Camera. The product model is Azarton C1. The resolution at 1920 to 1080. These are 1080p HD. The lens is f2.0 aperture, 110 degrees wide angle. Oh yeah, wide angle is every time good. And what you get is an f2 aperture, and I said it 110 degrees wide angle. The night market distance is 9 meters. The voice systems come with a pickup speaker. The wireless connection is Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, 2.4 gigahertz. That means it is not compatible with your 5 gigahertz net. But you will if you have a 5 gigahertz net, you will also have a 2.4. It's no problem for it. The storage function is micro SD card. The power input is 5 volt, 1 ampere. The working temperature is from 0 degrees Celsius up to 40. And you can use it only inside. It's not waterproof, okay? So now let's get to a setup. You will need an app for it. For this, search the Azarton app in the App Store for iOS users, or go to the Google Play Store for Android and load and install the Azarton app. Then connect the camera to a power outlet and wait for 15 seconds until the yellow status light will flash. Then press the setup button for 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt.
Ready to connect.
So now the cam is online and waits for response. Now we will get into the app. Add your first device. Enjoy your life. Plus add device. And then you can see Azarton Cam. Select the device you want to add. Let's go. Step number 1, connect your phone to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and have your password already. Connect the camera to a power outlet, and that we did because we we did it before. And then wait until the status thing is on board as we did. Now it's our turn to connect to the Wi-Fi. Then now you have to enter your password here. Your password is your password for your Wi-Fi network at home. And the app would generate a QR code for the cam with all information on it. So here we are. Here is the QR code. Now we have to scan the QR code. That means the lens of your new cam will scan this QR code and gets all information the cam will need to get into your local area network and to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And this is really easy because the only thing you have to do is you have to hold the code in front of the cam and job's done. Here we are.
Ready. QR code scanned. Please wait.
Now the QR code will get the information inside the cam, and then the cam will know our connection. Here we can see. Now the add of the device is succeeded, and we can get to a name for our new cam. Let's give it a cool thing. Yeah, okay. Now press finish, and the cam will be able to get some information out of the area outside. Here you can see Azarton app is on, and you can see all devices. If you have more devices, there will get some information here. And you can see it's an upgrade version. Okay, now let's cancel this first because of the video. And now you can see a little tutorial about how to use it. You can use gestures like your smartphone. It's a real, it's the same thing there. So everything is known. We have here the app, and the cam will show you that it is instant working. It's really awesome to get so fast into your Wi-Fi network with only one QR code. It's really awesome. This is modern and smart. So here we are. This is the live cam video. We can capture it by using the buttons on the bottom side. You can choose HD, SD, and 360p. We will use HD, of course, and the cams will have some problems with the picture here because my studio light is really bright. That means later I will show you better. This thing is to switch in night vision automatically, and on the bottom side you can see take photos. This is the left key, and videos. This is the second thing. Let's have a photo. Okay, let's have a video. Here we are. Now the cam will gather a video and save it in or on your smartphone device. So there is no micro SD card inside the cam, but it's already saved on my smartphone. Here you can see it's a speak button, history, and more. What is more? More will give you more information. Time-lapse video, focus, new, album, and off. This is clear, isn't it? That means you can choose the focus to get a new focus on the screen. You can time-lapse, make a time-lapse video, and album is what we stored before. Let's go to album. Here we are to one video and one pic. Okay, here's the video. Yeah. Okay, and now to the quality. The quality is, I think it's medium, but it is a security cam. Okay, think about this. It's a security cam. This is the additional thing. And here you can see some pictures. You can see the picture is okay. You can see the person which get the picture. So here we are. Our average is clear. You on the upper side you can see how much kilobit per second is uses or traveling. And this is an easy app. And now let's go to full screen mode. So here's full screen mode, and you can see it is in good video condition. Okay, you can see the person. This is the main thing for a security cam, and night vision. This is really awesome. Let's make a dark area. If you have light indicators, you can see a solid yellow light. The device is powered on and initializing. If you have a flashing yellow light, the device is ready to connect. And here you can see it's automatically switched to night vision. Really awesome, isn't it? It's okay. You can also see the person. He's a fat guy, isn't it? Oh, yeah, he needs a diet. And you can see this in the cam. I like it. It's okay. It's okay. It's not brilliant, but it's okay. But take care, it's not so expensive cam. Night vision with f2.0 aperture, IR cut filter, and 850 nanometers infrared LEDs. The cam enhanced night vision delivered clarity up to 30 feet away, even in total darkness. And here it is, total darkness. So get back the light. Get back to the light indicators. Flashing yellow and blue lights, connection is in progress. Flashing blue light, the device is connected and finishing setup. And solid blue light, the device is working properly. Now it's here, sound from the cam. It was okay too. You can communicate with the person which are you going to film. And it's okay. So, and here you can see, I think this is a killer application on it. The magnetic stand. I like it really much. You can see it works. It works proper on each or every metal plate easily. So, here we are. We have a medium range good cam on it. It is a security cam. It is the Azarton Cam, and I like it really much. The sound is medium. The picture is medium plus. But awesome is really the magnetic device thing on the bottom side. I think it is really awesome to get this cam easily installed in each area. So that it is. That was the Azarton Cam. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.